Hello everyone, this is our dynamic presentation radar discussion number 3. I'm Captain Gilbert Lee, speaking from Taipei, Taiwan. In last two talks, we have talking about the virtual speed vector presentation from the past 3 minutes or 6 minutes trail or the tail of the echo to predict what's the target's course and the speed. Everything predict from the past event will not be correct, but this is the basic principle of radar plotting if we were engaged on the radar's echoes encounter. Okay, let's see on this picture. We set two virtual speed vector out of the past 3-minute trail of the target. One is category as danger with red color. Another is category as green, safe target. Safe or danger is decided by 2. The target arriving the collision spot is about the same time with us as this red target vessel. For the green target, he will be passing the collision spot, this green spot, 6 minutes before on ship, so it is safe. We can see in last 20 seconds, the racon's echo decreased drastic. The echo of the racon almost cannot seen by the radar screen. This is not acceptable because it might cause the collision with the racon. So the racon should assign one shape for the racon as other target at the ship. We can see another big problem from the radar's picture presentations here. It is the tugboat, which was in collision course with on-ship, have the speed vector not reflect its own speed. This is the limitation of ARPA, and the IMO standard can accept it. But for the decision-making officer, they will make the impression that this tugboat is moving very fast. But we can see from the tugboat's trail, it's moving very slowly. So the ARPA's calculation even cannot reflect the truth of the past position change very slowly. So together with these two requirements, we asking there will be a collision spot in color red and one buoy's shape assigned to the racon. Also, the correct length of the virtual speed vector. And there's one thing more in this picture we must be asking. Is the target's bearing in the azimuth, which was the purple spot on the bearing about 130 degrees. This is the bearing of this tugboat. And in this rough situation, maybe we were asking the dynamic presentation to provide a recommended course In here, I recommended the course of 120. This is because the collision course is about 105 degrees is our current course, have collision risk. So we alter course to 120-50 degrees to the starboard side. The collision spot, the red spot, were moving along the virtual speed vector of the target. So the recommended course and the tugboat's course will create a new collision spot. For on-ship to arrive this collision spot is about 8 minutes, and for the tug vessel to arrive is about 4 minutes. The time to arrive is compared with on-ship speed vector and the target speed vector. So this is a simple truth. Actually, there were an important concept in collision avoidance. Avoid the collision is to avoid the collision spot. So we give proper distance to the collision spot. Also, we can gain from the benefit of different passing time of new collision spot to keep us away from the danger of collision. Okay, if you have the problem to understand what I was saying, please refer to the picture. The original collision spot was colored in red. If on-ship changed the course from 105 to 1200 degrees, this spot were moving from the red one to the yellow one. No matter what time, two ships' speed vector crossing each other, the crossing point is collision point. As the collision happen or not, it depends on these two targets arriving the collision spot at the same time. There will be a collision. If two targets arriving the collision spot at different time, that is safety margin. Again, on-ship to arrive this yellow spot need about 8 minutes, but this target to arriving this collision spot only need about 4 minutes. This 4-minute difference is our safety margin. That means if the target didn't change course and speed, after 8 minutes, on-ship will be on the yellow spot and the tugboat will be on the red spot. You see? 15-degree course change. After 8 minutes, we will be in different position from the target. That is collision avoidance. Okay, let's check on the next picture of the time 15:09, 1 minute later. You see the tug vessel at the range of 1.5 nautical mile. Already the ARPA lost track of the target. So this ARPA is useless. Correct. When we most needed the target's movement, we cannot depend on the ARPA, because ARPA cannot distinguish the targets at close range. So this is the deficiency the radar system manufacturer must be overcome. It's not the lookout responsibility, because at the sea there are not only one target. We are distracted by many things. Even if the racon at close range lose the trace of the racon, and many more ships are coming, how come the duty office can making a correct decisions based on this confused presentation on the radar picture? Here is our requirement for the dynamic radar presentation. Each target originally had collision risk. In the close range should continuously give us a target shape. And for the most dangerous target, we were asking new recommended course. If your memory are good, you can remember last time we recommend the course 120 degrees. Right now, the recommended course is 140 degrees, 20 degrees more than original one. Because on ship is at close range with the target 1.5 nautical mile, and there were two other vessels on our starboard side. So actually the maneuvering distance is very narrow. In this time, maybe on ship have very limited choice of the course we can steer. In this situation, reducing the speed should be coming to the captain's mind, not only by choosing correct recommended course, because all targets already occupied. So this is hard time for the captain. If captain knows how to doing the radar cycling, maybe captain can buy more time, or just stop the engine at this time and apply full radars to each side to reduce ship speed. But this have to based on the captain's skill, knowledge, and experience. Right now, this tug vessel is dead ahead of on ship, and is 1 minute past. On ship is 131 degrees. In this course, we may have new collision spot with the starboard side overtaking vessel. So this is new technique to support the captain on the decision making. We will talk about in next talk. Thanks for joining us, and see you on next talk. I leave the picture for your mental exercise. If you are the captain, what will you do based on the current situation? The racon already on our ship's pole beam, and another overtaken vessel on our starboard beam. Our starboard bow also have one vessel ahead. Good luck to you.